Dear students, faculty of different college universities and researchers, hope you are all staying at home and maintain the governmental guidelines to fight against pandemic COVID-19. In last video, we had already discussed about the SOFAR index in detail. There was a problem sum for your homework to represent the disparity of present status of COVID-19 active population of some selected states in India by SOFAR index analysis. Many of you asked different questions to solve the homework. The present video is the outcome of your questions. Okay, let's come to the content. Please see the content. Remedial class on SOFAR index. Detailed steps of homework in last video class. First, data processing, and second, calculation. Next, last video class we had already learned SOFAR disparity index. Here the content of last video class, just remember. Okay, let's go. Homework class on SOFAR index. In last video you had already received the homework. This is the table of homework where state and or UT United Territory population and active COVID-19 population are given. Here the map supplied to you to represent the data by SOFAR analysis. Now just remember the formula used. Di is equal to log x2 divided by x1 plus log 100 minus x1 divided by 100 minus x2, where Di is equal to disparity index. X2 represent the state or union territory population, x1 represent the COVID-19 active population. We must remember x2 greater is equal to x1. Now steps of data processing. Here total population of selected states or union territory is to be considered as 100. State or union territory population is to be converted in percentage value. COVID-19 active population also become calculated in percentage value in respect of total population of selected states and union territory. Remember that value of log 0 indefinite and SOFAR index value never be in minus. Next, calculation. Total selected state or union territory population is equal to 115.1561267. If the value 115.1561267 is 100, then the total COVID-19 active population 15382 will be is equal to 0.001336, and this value will be distributed within the selected states or union territory as per their ratio. Next, here the calculation sheet. You must remember the total population 100 and these will be reflected by the arrow sign. COVID active population 0, total COVID active population 0.01336, which is to be reflected by the arrow sign. Now you see the map. We represent the values of COVID-19 active population as per their state or union territory population ratio. Here greater value 6 to 7 of disparity present the huge difference in between the percentage of total population and percentage of COVID-19 active population. That is, percentage of COVID-19 active population in respect of percentage of state population is very lesser or negligible in Bihar and Chhattisgarh. Lesser value 4 to 5 of disparity represent the less difference in between percentage of total population and percentage of COVID-19 active population. That is, the percentage of COVID-19 active population in respect of percentage of state population is very higher in Delhi, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. All other states are moderately affected. We must remember here the map represent red zone is lesser values, that is 4 to 5 is highly affected. Orange zone is medium values, 5 to 6 is moderately affected, and the higher value 6 to 7 is poorly affected. Dear all, if the video is fruitful to understand the content, please subscribe the channel if you are new. Thanks for them those are already subscribed. Please comment, like and share the video to others for the benefit of learners. Please don't forget to submit your homework in our website linked in describe menu. Thank you for your cooperation. And again say, stay home and save life for fight against the pandemic COVID-19. Thank you again.